Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. My name is Agbo, and today I want to teach you guys simple communication in Igbo language. As you can see, my son is also ready to learn. So I want to teach you guys how to say, if you see somebody, for example, on the road and you ask the person, or the person asks you, how are you? You reply, I am fine. The person asks you again, where are you going? You reply, for example, I am going to school. Papa, kedia bia? Huh? The person no. The person asks again, Papa. The person asks again, how is your family? You reply, my family is fine. Okay, then you now turn to ask the person, how are you too? The person replies, I am fine. You ask the person, how is your family? The person says, my family is fine. So let's go. Now, somebody asks you, how are you? Goes like this. Nne or nna. Nne means female in general. Nna means male in general. So nne, kedu, or nne kekwan, the same thing. Okay, nne, how are you? Then you reply odemma. Odemma means fine. Or you say ademomma. Ademomma means I am fine. Ademomma. Ademomma, I am fine. The person asks again, where are you going? By saying kedu ebi na aga, or kedu ebi na eje. Aga and eje is the same thing in Igbo language. They mean going. Kedu ebi na eje, or kedu ebi na aga. Where are you going? You reply the person, ana m eje ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ana m eje ụlọ akwụkwọ. I am going to school. Or ana m eje ụlọ akwụkwọ. ULO and UNO. They are the same in Igbo language. They mean house. Ụlọ or uno, the same thing. So akwụkwọ means book. So house of book. Uno akwụkwọ, house of book. Normally in school you find books to write, to read, right? So house of book means uno akwụkwọ, which is school. So ana m eje ụlọ akwụkwọ. I am going to school. The person asks you again, how is school? That is, kedu maka ụlọ akwụkwọ? Kedu maka ụlọ akwụkwọ? Kedu maka ụlọ akwụkwọ? How is school? You reply the person, ụlọ akwụkwọ dị mma. School is fine. Ụlọ akwụkwọ dị mma. School is fine. Okay, then your turn now. You ask the person, kedu kwanu? Okay, you ask the person, how are you too? Kedu kwanu? The person replies, odimma or ademomma. Odimma, remember, odimma means only is fine or fine. Then ademomma means I am fine. Ademomma, I am fine. Okay, you ask the person again, where are you going? That is, kedu ebi na eje, or kedu ebi na aga. The person replies, ana m eje ụlọ ọlụ. Ana m eje ụlọ ọlụ. I am going to work, or I am going to office, the same thing. So ụlọ ọlụ means house of work, that is office. Ụlọ means house. Then ọlụ means work in Igbo language. So ụlọ ọlụ, house of work, because in office normally you go to work, right? So house of work, ụlọ ọlụ, office. Okay, so ana m eje ụlọ ọlụ. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for listening. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like our videos. See you next time in our next video. Bye. Omekania, say bye. Bye.